Are you using WhatsApp for doing business? Do your customers or prospects ask you to share your company profile? Do they ask you to share product photos or services before placing an order? If yes, then you are at the right place. Now create a stunning web profile with digital catalogs of your products and services in minutes and share it instantly via WhatsApp, SMS or by email. Here's how you do it. Download the Networrk app. Create your profile by adding details about your business that your customers need to know, in 4 simple steps. Once you have added all the details, your profile is now ready. Now, create and add products or service catalogs to your profile. Click on the Catalog button on your dashboard. Upload images from your gallery or simply take a photo from your mobile. Select the photos that you want to upload. Name the catalog you are creating. Write a small description of your catalog. Add product or service name along with the description and price. You can add multiple products in one catalog or create multiple catalogs for your different products and services. Once you have created your company profile and catalogs, you can now share it on WhatsApp, SMS, email, Facebook, Instagram, and many other social media channels. Your customers can now place an order for your products and services directly on WhatsApp. You can also share a particular product or a service catalog as per your client's requirements. Networrk app has inbuilt analytics to track the performance of your profile views, catalog views and inquiries received via in-depth analytics. Networrk is a complete do-it-yourself profile and catalog building platform. Enhance your business communication with Networrk app. Download the Networrk app today.